Jobs that didn't exist 10 years ago. Welcome to our channel. Imagine telling someone 10 years ago that being a TikTok content strategist or a Metaverse architect would be real careers. Sounds crazy, right? Well, the job market is evolving faster than ever, and today, we're looking at 10 high-paying jobs that didn't even exist a decade ago. Whether you're looking for new career ideas, thinking about switching jobs, or just curious about the future of work, stay tuned because these opportunities might just inspire you. Let's get started. 1. AI Prompt Engineer. What they do. AI prompt engineers design and refine text-based prompts that train AI models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Bard to generate better responses. They ensure AI tools produce accurate, relevant, and ethical results. Key responsibilities. Crafting precise text prompts to optimize AI responses. Testing AI-generated content for accuracy and relevance. Fine-tuning AI behavior through prompt adjustments. Collaborating with data scientists and AI developers. Skills required. Strong writing and communication skills. Understanding of natural language processing, NLP. Basic knowledge of machine learning concepts. Problem solving and logical thinking. Salary range. $100,000 to $250,000 per year, varies by experience and company. Future potential. As AI technology advances, the demand for skilled prompt engineers will skyrocket in marketing, customer service, and software development. 2. NFT Consultant. What they do. NFT consultants help businesses, artists, and investors navigate the NFT, non-fungible token market, advising on digital assets, blockchain, and tokenization. Key responsibilities. Educating clients on NFT creation and sales. Managing NFT investments and marketing strategies. Advising brands on NFT utility and value. Tracking market trends and analyzing NFT growth. Skills required. Knowledge of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Digital marketing and branding expertise. Understanding of smart contracts and Ethereum. Market research and trend analysis. Salary range. $70,000 to $200,000 plus per year, depending on client base. Future potential. While the NFT market is volatile, blockchain technology is here to stay, and NFT experts will be needed in art, gaming, real estate, and digital ownership sectors. 3. Virtual Reality, VR Designer. What they do. VR designers create immersive 3D experiences for gaming, training, education, and virtual tourism. Key responsibilities. Designing virtual environments and interactive 3D spaces. Programming VR interactions using Unity or Unreal Engine. Testing and refining user experience, UX, in VR. Working with graphic designers, animators, and developers. Skills required. Proficiency in 3D modeling software, Blender, Maya. Coding skills, C#, Python, for VR development. UX and UI design for VR interfaces. Creativity and attention to detail. Salary range. $80,000 to $150,000 per year. Future potential. VR is expanding beyond gaming into healthcare, education, and the metaverse, meaning huge job opportunities ahead. 4. TikTok Content Strategist. What they do. TikTok strategists help brands grow and go viral by understanding trends, algorithms, and audience engagement strategies. Key responsibilities. Creating TikTok growth strategies for brands and influencers. Researching trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges. Editing short-form videos and optimizing content performance. Analyzing TikTok analytics and audience insights. Skills required. Social media marketing expertise. Video editing and storytelling. Knowledge of TikTok algorithms and trends. Branding and influencer marketing. Salary range. $50,000 to $120,000 per year, higher for top brands. Future potential. Short-form video content is dominating social media, making this job one of the fastest-growing careers in digital marketing. 5. Drone Operator. What they do. Drone operators use drones for filming, security, deliveries, and inspections in industries like agriculture, construction, and real estate. Key responsibilities. Piloting drones for photography, surveillance, and deliveries. Conducting aerial inspections, real estate, construction, farming. Maintaining and troubleshooting drone equipment. Editing aerial footage and providing analysis. Skills required. FAA drone pilot certification, varies by country. Remote control operation and navigation skills. video editing and aerial photography expertise, knowledge of aerospace safety regulations. Salary range: $60,000 to $120,000 per year. Future potential: drones will revolutionize industries like logistics, security, and agriculture, meaning more job opportunities. 6. Cryptocurrency analyst. What they do: crypto analysts track market trends, analyze data, and advise investors on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins. Key responsibilities: conducting market research on crypto assets, predicting price trends and investment risks, writing reports and financial analysis on blockchain projects, educating clients on crypto trading strategies. Skills required: financial and technical knowledge of blockchain and crypto, market trend analysis and risk assessment, data interpretation and portfolio management. Salary range: $70,000 to $200,000 per year. Future potential: crypto is volatile, but blockchain technology is expanding into banking, real estate, and gaming, making crypto expertise highly valuable. 7. Remote work facilitator. What they do: these professionals help businesses optimize remote work, setting up digital workflows and productivity strategies. Key responsibilities: implementing virtual team management systems, training employees on remote work tools, Slack, Zoom, Asana, setting up cybersecurity and cloud-based networks, improving remote work efficiency and communication. Skills required: tech-savvy with virtual collaboration tools, HR and business strategy experience, strong communication and organization skills. Salary range: $60,000 to $120,000 per year. Future potential: with remote work here to stay, companies will need experts to maximize productivity in a hybrid work environment. 8. Esports coach. What they do: esports coaches train professional gamers for tournaments and sponsorship deals. Key responsibilities: teaching advanced gaming strategies and tactics, analyzing gameplay to improve team performance, organizing training sessions and team management, building esports career strategies for players. Skills required: deep knowledge of competitive gaming, League of Legends, Valorant, etc. Strong analytical and coaching abilities. Experience in professional esports scenes. Salary range: $50,000 to $200,000 per year, plus bonuses. Future potential: esports is now a billion-dollar industry, meaning huge sponsorship and career opportunities in gaming. 9. Metaverse Architect. What they do: Metaverse architects design virtual environments for socializing, gaming, and business. Key responsibilities: building virtual stores, homes, and event spaces, creating avatars and interactive digital spaces, developing 3D environments in platforms like Decentraland. Skills required: 3D design and coding skills, Unity, Blender, blockchain and virtual economy knowledge, UX and UI expertise for immersive experiences. Salary range: $80,000 to $200,000 per year. Future potential: as the metaverse expands, brands and businesses will need digital architects to build virtual spaces.